Hello crypto smart investors, welcome to yet another explosive video. In the last video we actually started exploring the gate.io mobile app interface. So in order not to make the video very long, we decided to cut it short. So in this video we are going to explore more of the gate.io mobile app interface. If you have not watched the last video, click the link up there now to do so. Before we continue, go ahead to smash that subscribe button right away. Also, if you have any question, drop it in the comment section below. If you have not registered on gate.io, the registration link as well as the user ID is in the description box below. At this part of my screen, you have the username as well as the VIP level. So we'll be making videos on how to move from VIP 0 to VIP 1 to VIP 2 as well as the criteria to qualify. You also notice that there is the user ID. So this user ID is unique for every user on gate.io. So that is the ID. Suppose you want to refer someone, that is the ID the person will input while registering. So if you click the arrow here, for more information, you can be able to do what? Edit your profile. If you want to change your username, if you want to change your nickname, if you want to change your avatar, this is where to do that. Now, Gate.io has offered a feature so that you can actually create multiple accounts in one app. So by multiple accounts, several people can use the same app on the same phone. Is that alright? So clicking on multiple accounts to log out. So this is my present account, Touching Lives VIP 0. So estimated USD is that and all that. So you can click on add more accounts. Alright, so you can click on add more accounts, or you can click on this plus button here and you are good to go. So whatever it is that you want to do is actually very flexible with gate.io. So adding more accounts, let's see what happens. So you can be able to do what? Either register now or log in. So logging in with already registered account, is that making sense? So that is one beautiful thing about gate.io. So if you still click on the plus button, it will still take you to the same place. So it's just very flexible. Flexibility in the sense that you can achieve a whole lot of things from different sections of the app. We have profile. So profile shows you your profile definitely, as well as you can check out your referrals. So supposing you have interacted with this gate.io chat rooms and all that, you can see your likes, who liked you, post, commented. But I'm actually not active in all this. What I do is I just come, trade, and I move. If I want to socialize, I definitely know where to go to. In the next feature, I can try gate.io social app. So the next, you have payment management. Then you have sub account management, you have security center. So what happens in security center? This is where you set up your security about your app. So you notice that your security strength is strong. So for my security strength is strong, I can add a whole lot of things. I can change or edit a whole lot of things. For each of them that you click, each of these options that you click, you have the options to either enable or disable them. Is that right? So look at this, Google Authenticator, download and install Google Authenticator. So we are actually going to be doing videos on how to do all this on your device. Before you can even disable this guy, you have to input the phone password, you have to input SMS code, you have to input Google code. Alright, so there are like 3-step verification to be able to do what? Disable Google Authenticator. So with all this other one, identity verification, you can actually start up with your identity verification by clicking on this guy. Change login password, change phone password. All this can be done just within this security center section. So it's very easy. So you can go to settings, you can set up a whole lot of things. You can change your language, you can change the color of your candlesticks. So push management, you can set all those up. So accept new push messages. So this one you can put it on and off. So one beautiful thing that I really love about the new app update is the display price floating window. So if I should enable this now, so you notice that what? This guy is shown here. So whatever is shown here are actually all your favorites, all your favorite trades. So they'll actually be displaying and it will be showing you in random. So if you actually want to keep tabs on all your favorites and you want to know what is happening at any instant, this you can just enable this, and you can actually change what happens where. So display mode is regular. You can change the display mode from regular to light mode, so you have it in drop down like that. So but I prefer it regular, so I'm just going to turn this off. So under settings, you still have exchange rate switch. So the exchange rate by default here is what? USD, so you can change to every other exchange rate. So you have chat room settings and all that. So when you click on fees, you'll be able to see the fees that you are charged based on the VIP level that you are in. So for VIP 0, you see meet trading volume and gateio requirements. So there are requirements for you to actually be able to move from one VIP level to another. So these are the criteria. Alright, so if you don't understand what VIP is all about as far as gate is concerned, especially video made to explain that better. So you have giveaways. If you want to participate in gate.io giveaways, this is where to go to. So you can see the ones that are in progress, you can see the ones that you can actually participate now. So if you click on participate now, you can actually participate on all of them. So you can see the ones that are finished. Okay, so when you go up, you can actually click on tags and bonuses. So tags and bonuses, so you have tags and bonuses, so the things that you're expected to do. So some of them have actually expired, I didn't take action. So going back, I have my referrals. So this is where you see your referrals. You have customer support. So if you need customer support, you can chat up the customer. You can read articles based on what you don't understand. That is gate.io help center. So clicking on any of those topics will open you up to a new window. So make sure you can read as far as crypto is concerned. There's no shortcut to success. So online help, I can actually submit a ticket at this instance. Remember, your email is already connected. You can contact support. Alright, so clicking on any of these frequently asked questions, it will do what? Explain it better for you. You can either upvote it or downvote it. So gate.io app is very intuitive, it's very flexible, and it's easy to navigate. So you can click on about us, it shows you about the gate.io app. You can click on share app, you can actually share the app. You can click on wallet.io. There's something I noticed with wallet.io. Once you open it up and it opens to your default browser, especially Chrome, it brings up this warning: the site ahead contains harmful app. I don't know why it does that. Okay, so probably it is not secured. The HTTPS is not secured. So probably that's actually what Chrome does for some of those sites. So to warn you, to keep you safe, so you can go to click back to safety, or you go ahead. So but we just go back to safety. So the last button here is to enable between night mode and the daytime mode. So I actually like everything dark. I don't know, to some extent I love it. So dark. You can now navigate gate.io mobile app efficiently, effectively, without any issues. It's as easy as you can think of it. So the next thing you should be able to do is to learn how to trade. If you don't know how to trade, our videos coming up next will actually be focusing more on that. Hope you gotten value in this video. If you have any question, drop it in the comment section below. If there's anything that you think we've not discussed in this video, I want us to discuss it, drop it in the comment section below and we'll be ready to answer all your questions. Go ahead to smash that subscribe button right away if you have not done so. Remember to do one thing always: trade responsibly, always take profit. Peace out. So that's about gate.io navigating date. So that is that about that.